Every JavaScript object has a secret parent it can fall back on. Ask an object for a method it doesn't own, and JavaScript quietly walks up a chain to find it. That chain is the prototype, and it's the engine behind every class you've ever written. JS Patterns. Episode 3. Say you're building a UI, and every button needs a render method. The naive way? Give each object its own copy of render. Make 10,000 buttons, and you've just stamped 10,000 identical copies of the same function into memory. Same code, duplicated over and over. It wastes memory, and the day you fix that method, you'd have to fix every single copy. The prototype pattern solves this with delegation. You put the shared method once, on a single prototype object. Every instance keeps only its own data, its label, its theme, and quietly delegates up to that one prototype for behavior. 10,000 buttons, one render function. Ask a button to render, and JavaScript falls through the chain to the prototype and runs the one shared copy. Here's the shape. Object.create. You hand it a prototype widget which owns render. The new button gets widget as its parent and stores only its own label and theme. Call button.render and the lookup falls through to widget. And classes are just sugar over this. Class icon button extends widget puts render on widget.prototype, and every instance's chain ends right there. Watch it. Get prototype of button equals widget true. Call render on a button that owns no render of its own, and it still works, delegated up the chain. Spin up 10,000 instances, and there's still exactly one render function in memory. That's the whole point. Now, delegation shares behavior. But sometimes you need independent state, an actual copy. That's the other half of prototype, cloning. Spread for a quick shallow copy. StructuredClone for a true deep copy. It even handles dates, maps, sets, and circular references. And a base object plus overrides is how every test fixture builder works. But mind the traps. A spread is only one level deep. Change a nested object and you've mutated the original too. And the prototype chain itself is an attack surface. Write to under proto on a plain object from untrusted input, and you can poison every object in your app. That's prototype pollution. The fix? Object.create null, a dictionary with no prototype, nothing to poison. So, share behavior through the prototype, copy state through cloning. Know which one you actually need. That's the prototype. Beyond code karma. I'll see you in the next pattern.